Look at these folks, like they want to say something. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Huh? You said, do I make beats? Yeah, I do every now and then, yeah. Appreciate it. Yeah, trap mode different. Trap mode is different. I love it. I see why people can't stop messing with it. Ooh, SRT. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
Damage.
Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing, riding in my car ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad.
Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV. As you can see, man, before I get started, make sure you hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? If you are new, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 9K currently. You know what I'm saying? We almost there. Less than 500 people away from 9K, man. Y'all boy get your boy to 9K the quick way so we can go ahead and get to 10K and then so on and so forth. You feel me? It's a big year this year, man. Cari crew is a big year, but like I was saying, though, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Hit that like button, man. Get this video to 100 likes at least, man. As y'all can see, man, we POVing today, and we're gonna be in trap mode today, man. Y'all see I put it in trap. I don't put my car in trap, bro. Y'all know how I am. And I don't have no gas, bro. I'm doing it for y'all with no gas. 54 miles to eat. Just for y'all, man. And we're gonna be all the way in manual with it. If y'all ain't read the title, you feel me? It's gonna be just downshifting everywhere I go. You know what I'm saying? Literally in trap mode. With the windows down. And I ain't even, bro, I don't even drive my car in trap, especially not cruising. I only do that when that mother really just, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to it. But I like sport. Sport mode my favorite mode, you know what I'm saying? It's comfortable. It's the most comfortable and power-giving mode you can have. You feel me? Besides your own custom mode, but still. But yeah, man, like, downshifting everywhere I go, man. Or downshifting every stop, basically. Like, nah, I gotta stop. It's a good way to get rid of gas if you know, if you like a personal E85, the downshift every time you slow down in the highest mode you got. We're gonna do a little cutting up too though. We're in full manual mode though, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So it ain't gonna shift unless I do it, you feel me? So I'm in control of all the shifting, you feel me? Shawty get mad. Yeah, man. I'm doing a video for y'all, boy, man. Something slight on this nice, lovely day, man. Some nice weather. Like, bro, it's a smooth 64 out, man. The breeze a little hard, you know what I'm saying? Breeze a little hard, but oh my goodness. Track is so aggressive, bro. Like, I don't see how y'all, bro, like, people daily in track, bro. Bro, you're not even supposed to do that. Or cruise or none of that, bro. But that junk is crazy. The downshifts and track is stupendous, nigga. But yeah, man. It's something slight, man. Downshifting everywhere I go, you feel me? Or downshifting every stop. But I ain't really stopping. But I kinda am. I ain't trying to go too far. Low key. Cause I ain't got that much gas. As y'all saw. Man, the light green. I'll keep going. I don't even wanna go that way for real. Man, if I can make this a manual, being a bit shit that can lay the hell. know what I'm saying? I don't get unheld like that, but it's still a Mustang though. Car crew, comment down below. How would y'all feel if I went Mustang? Just a hypothetical thought. You know what I'm saying? Like, would y'all still rock with your boy? Cause y'all know I can rock any car, bro. I'm gonna bring the same content regardless. Like the same content I do in this, but it'll be different though. I won't be doing like just real, you know what I'm saying, Mopar stuff in a different car, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm still gonna drive that bitch like a man, you know what I'm saying? Like, look at these downshifts, you feel me? All that. I be driving how y'all want y'all favorite YouTubers to drive these mother, you know what I'm saying? That's an automatic or manual, no matter what it is, but I'm gonna drive that bitch like it's supposed to be driven, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feel. Y'all still rock with me? And then see if we can get a different crowd. I'm still gonna, it's Mopar no car forever, you feel me? Always. They're always my top pick. I'm just saying for content wise, y'all let me know how y'all feel about that. This a real conversation for real, like, I'm being serious. Y'all comment down below, man. Or you know what I'm saying, Mustang or shit, damn, I can't even think of the name of that bitch. Camaro, bro, it's it. You know what I'm saying? If I get a stain though, it's not gonna be a 5.0. Well, it is, but not like a plain Jane 5.0, unless it's like a certain year. You feel me? But if I did go one, it's gonna be a certain one. You know what I'm saying? One of those Shelby boys, or like a what's the other one? The Mach 1. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. That bitch gotta have a little fancy to it. You know what I'm saying? Digital dash, something. Unless it's a certain year. You know what I'm saying? An older one, but if it's a new one, you know what I'm saying? Digital dash, big radio. It's a must. You see, I already got that. It's a must, bro. But yeah, I'm supposed to be downshifting, but yeah, I just want to ask y'all that, bro. I want to ask y'all that because, you know what I'm saying? That's a little thought. I don't know. We're gonna see. Y'all let me know though how y'all feel about that. It's still Mopar no comment, but you know what I'm saying? Just for the time being. Let's see what's to it, man. I'm gonna get that 10K, I'm gonna get 20K, 30K, 40K regardless of the car. You can't, you know what I'm saying? You gotta try stuff sometimes. Just to see what's out there. Just to say you did it. You can give reasons why you don't like it, you know what I'm saying? Cause you actually, you know what I'm saying, took the precautions, took the necessary, took the necessary steps, you know what I'm saying? To see why you don't like it. Oh my Lord. That was a nice Viper, boy. That been old school joint. Hope y'all saw it. I turned the camera, but I wasn't looking to see if it made the cut. Man. You see me blinking my blinker. Don't you think I'm gonna turn? Does that make sense to y'all, bro? Bro, track mode is crazy. Like, that bitch be snapping even when you're not throttling it, like you just upshifting. That bitch is snatching every time. Every time, car crew, bro. Like, watch. When I get around that curve, that bitch is like that small little jerk, bro. Like, that's me, like, barely touching the gas, bro. Literally. I will go to the dealership, but I know they ain't probably talking about nothing. They ain't talking about nothing. If there ain't no cat that say sold with Cari beats on that bitch, they ain't talking about nothing. I see a Camaro over there. I should go look. I want to go get in the. I want to sit in the car that got a manual in it. I like to do that. 'Cause I be acting like Need for Speed when I be sitting in that bitch. Cari crew. Everybody done it before. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't did it lately. I ain't did that thing in a long time. I was like young. Ever since I got my own, so I get my own car, that's how I'm doing it. But I want to go back and look at one though. That's gonna be funny. If I go look at one, I'll probably record it and add a clip into the video. And the video ain't gonna be too long, you know what I'm saying? I'm supposed to have been downshifting, at my fault. I started talking to y'all, boy, but yeah, y'all comment down below about that. You know what I'm saying? But back to regular scheduling, you know what I'm saying? In trap mode, you know what I'm saying? Look at the idiot. And you on the charger. Man, what's wrong with you? watching the video, you know who you is, boy. You was out to eat today, boy. I'ma text you though. I might. I probably might not. I ain't really that type of guy. I be seeing folks in traffic in their car. It's just like, oh well, I saw you. You know what I'm saying? You ain't see me, obviously. I probably scared the hell out of that lady. I forgot that lady right there. But Track is different. Track is him. But Track, like, it got so much thing, like, torquing to it, bro. Like, even when you shift it, it takes so much time and just to shift. She probably like, what's different from his Charger and mine? A lot. But yeah. We got car crew, y'all can see, man, you know what I'm saying, riding in full manual mode. Just, you know what I'm saying, chopping it up with the gang, man, with the crew, man. Chop it up with the crew, y'all know how I do, man. You feel me? Look at these folks, like they want to say something. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Huh? You said, do I make beats? Yeah, I do every now and then, yeah. Appreciate it. Yeah, track mode different. Track mode is different. I love it. I see why people can't stop messing with it. Ooh, SRT 8. But y'all heard, bro, you ain't about some beats. Yeah, man, I still made beats, man. I done got a little rusty. I ain't gonna say rusty. I just, you know what I'm saying, I gotta get back in my groove. Cause like, I ain't did it in so long. I be doing it, messing around, but I don't ever finish it. You know what I'm saying? I start some. I don't like lay it out and everything. But yeah, man, I do make beats though, cause that's really my first love. Music is always my first love though. But cars, I've been liking cars forever. Like as much. I've been liking cars before I started liking music. But when I started liking music, it was just heavy, you know what I'm saying? Cause that's all you really got. It's an SRT, that's 392, the regular. I wasn't supposed to been going this far, but it's crazy how I met, bro. Y'all heard him. Supposed to ride down there for. I was thinking about that damn what you call it? That damn what is that? That a Cruise? This thing got a Chevy Cruise looking like a WRX. That's crazy. With the big boy spoiler, the coffee table spoiler. Downshifting everywhere I go. But yeah, man, I just want to give y'all a little something, man. Hit on up. Olivia just talking to y'all, man, preaching to y'all real quick today, man. Hit her with Olivia. And I still don't be fully throttling it, bro. I just like to make noise. And that junk is crazy. The power different, bro. The torque different, really. And track. Now I think it really is. It be the track. I said track. It be the torque different. The torque be going up. That's crazy. But yeah, man. I want to give y'all a little quick little something, man. Something slight, man. You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all hit that like button if you're new. I said if you're new. Hit that like button, man, if you're anybody. Subscribe if you're new, you know what I'm saying? Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Like I said at the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari Crew, you feel me? You can touch it, bro. Just keep climbing. If all my religious folk, man, you know what I'm saying? Keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up. Just be a better you every day, man. Be a better you, be humble, be cautious, be wise, you know what I'm saying? All that. You feel me? But yeah, man, like I also said on in my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.
Why these niggas watching me, they think that I ain't gon' notice. Mine been on this money, so that mean I'm way too focused.